Assalamu alaikum, good morning and Subh Bakhair. 1st April 2026. Complete serenity everywhere. There is a lush green and beauty, and morning walk in such like beautiful and fresh spot is extremely blessing. हर चाहता पकार दी कि 24 आवर की कम अज़ कम यो घंटा टाइम स्पेयर करी for morning walk, especially morning to empty stomach. That will be more beneficial. So I would advise every viewer to at least spare a few moments of their lives for himself or herself to keep his or her health fit and remain all the time happy.